Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn electric forces in fields together, step by step. Matter contains two kinds of electric charge, positive, carried by protons, and negative, carried by electrons. Like charges repel each other while opposite charges attract. Coulomb's law gives the force, a constant k times the two charges, divided by the distance between them squared. Just like gravity, it follows an inverse square law, so the force weakens quickly as charges move apart. Rather than tracking forces one by one, we use the electric field, the force that a tiny positive test charge would feel at each point. We draw it with field lines that point away from positive charges and toward negative ones. Where the lines crowd close together, the field is strong. Where they spread out, it's weak. The field fills all the space around a charge. Two charges sit a distance r apart and feel a force F. Now pull them to twice that distance. The denominator has distance squared, and 2 squared is 4. So the new force is only 1/4 of the original. Doubling the separation cuts the force to 1/4. That's the inverse square law, and it explains why electric forces fade so fast with distance. Rub a balloon on your hair, and it strips away electrons, leaving the balloon negatively charged. Its electric field reaches out and tugs tiny scraps of paper, even though paper is neutral. The field pushes the paper's own charges slightly apart, drawing the nearer positive side toward the balloon. That gentle attraction is an electric field doing real, visible work. To summarize, charges come in two types, with likes repelling and opposites attracting through Coulomb's inverse square law. The electric field describes the force any charge would feel, drawn as lines flowing out of positives and into negatives. These ideas underlie everything electrical, from lightning to circuits. You've taken a big step into electromagnetism today. Well done. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.